Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get super dewy and glowy skin, even if your skin is dry like mine, or it's the winter time and you just want a little bit more shine and a little bit less powder. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, first we're going to start off with some moisturizer. This is Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, and I'm just putting that on my hands and putting that on my face, because if we want dewy skin, we have to make sure that our skin isn't dry, because that doesn't even make sense. And now I'm going to take a dewy foundation, so I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Foundation in the color Oslo. And I'm just going to put this on a Morphe Y6 and just blend this around using circular motions all over my face. Alright, and the key to having dewy face is to use a lot of cream products. So I'm going to cream contour using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette in the shade Fair. And I also have this Clinique. This is actually a foundation stick in the color 09, Enormous Neutral. And I'm actually going to use this to bronze because I think it is a pretty good shade for me to bronze with. So I'm just putting this on my forehead, a little bit down here, but we're going to contour more. Now I'm just going to take a smaller brush and we're going to dip into the cool tone color in the contour kit and just define our cheekbones. And then add some to our forehead as well, because we really want to shrink that down. And then I'm taking a really precise brush and I'm going to contour my nose. Okay, now I'm just going to blend all that in using a beauty blender. Alright, so we blended all of that out, and sometimes it can look a little muddy, which is why we contoured before we put on concealer. So now it's time to go in with concealer. I'm just using Tarte Tape Shape under the eyes. We're going to go down the nose just to like sharpen our nose contour. And then we got to go under the contour we did on our cheekbones. And a little on the chin and Cupid's bow just to add a little highlight. And our forehead too. And now I'm just going to take the same beauty blender and blend that in. Alright, now we're going to set the face using powder, and we're using a pressed powder because that is a little less drying than a full-on loose powder, and it's better if we want a more dewy look or if you have drier skin. So I'm just taking this Maybelline Fit Me powder on a brush and I'm just packing it under my eyes, keeping it really close under there. And now just taking a big fluffy brush, we're just going to dip into that again and just lightly dust the whole face, because we still want it to look dewy, but we can't just not set it at all. And that looks good, and as you can see, I still have a little bit of dewiness left, even with the powder over it. Now I'm just going to add some Tarte blush, just a nice peachy shade. Okay, now for the most important part of a dewy look, we're going in with some highlighter. So this is actually a liquid highlighter, and then we're going to go over it with a powder, just so it's really blinding and you look really shiny and dewy. So this is called Glow Milk from the Beauty Crop, and it's a cute rose gold color. We're just going to apply that right to our cheekbones. I think the best place to highlight is your temples, so we're doing that too. Honestly, you can just take it in a C kind of all around your eye. And we're going to blend that in using our finger kind of. Just concentrating it only over here, just so we don't get into our pore area, because then it will emphasize your pores. Alright, now we're going to go over it with some powder highlighter. This is Fenty. We're going to use the color Fire Crystal. And just add that right over the top where we put that liquid highlight. And then just tapping our brush just a little bit, I want to put some down the center of my face. I don't want it to be too shiny, but I want it to be dewy still. Now I'm just taking a small pencil brush and I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose down the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. And I'm also just going to highlight my inner corner using this highlight and under my brow. And the most important step to having a dewy face, just so it doesn't look powdery and cakey, is to set it. So I'm using the Morphe Prep and Set. This will really help the product melt into your skin so it doesn't look powdery, because we want to be dewy. And now I'm just kind of taking a beauty blender and just bouncing it lightly. Alright, now I'm just going to do my eyebrows and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back and the eyebrows are done, and I want to keep the rest of the look pretty simple because it's all about the skin. So I'm just going to throw on some mascara and a nice shimmery gloss just to keep in theme with all of the glowy products on my face. Alright, now I'm just taking the Fenty Rose Gold Gloss Bomb because this is super shiny. And if you want to add a little extra shimmer to your eyes, you can take another cream product, maybe the new Fenty Lip and Eye Duos, and let's take this nice goldy bronze color and just kind of add that to the lid. And then we can just take the same highlighter from before on our finger and just press that over it, just to add a little bit more shine. So this look is complete. This is how I transform my dry skin in the winter into a nice dewy finish. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any video requests. Follow my Instagram at Sophia Doing Makeup, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.